Hi guys, and welcome back to our vlog. Um, we're visiting a nice park in the area. It's a beautiful day and we're going for a little hike, and Dalia's on her little bike, so come along with us.
Is that them right here?
Look at these flowers, they're really cool.
Okay, alright. Oh, going downhill?
Look, Dalia.
Look at the camera.
Yay, Dalia. Okay, do you want to get down? Here tonight we have ground turkey tacos. We're trying to eat a little healthy. And a small portion of rice and some beans. So let's see how they taste. Guys, look at our amaryllis flower. I was showing you how it was starting to grow, and look at it now, and there's gonna be more here. It's beautiful. Happy Mother's Day! We're enjoying the beautiful day in the backyard. We're sitting outside, enjoying the nice weather. And speaking of Mother's Day, we have a little robin's nest in our backyard. And I think I showed you some eggs in the last vlog. So right now we're gonna share with you some the actual babies and the mom feeding them.
Here she comes. Feed me. Okay, guys, it's Mother's Day, and I'm getting ready to take Maya out. The restaurant of choice was McDonald's, so come along. We'll show you the Big Mac she's getting. I'm just teasing.
I hope there are no spiders in my boots.
She's getting ready. She's all dressed up to go to McDonald's.
Yeah. Do they serve beer at McDonald's?
No, but you can get a Oreo. You can get an Oreo blast. Here she comes.
We're going to get my own pizza.
What are you thinking about ordering since they were out of Big Macs and McDonald's on the street.
Yeah, I don't really like McDonald's, so I'm glad I'm into these breweries.
Yeah.
And the cool pubs and things like that.
What are you gonna order?
Oh, I ordered that IPA we had last time. It's a chocolate freeze, I think. I think it's a local IPA. And I might be getting, I heard they have pretty good pizza, so you can build your own pizza here. Choose your sauce, choose the protein. Yeah. I might do that. What about you? What are you doing?
Well, I think I'm gonna have their Legion's burger. It's Angus beef. It's the same thing that I had last time.
Mm-hmm. There it is.
Yes.
Yeah, it was really good.
It's basically the same thing I had last time. I really like the flavor, and I also like their hand-cut fries. And they serve it on looks like a pretzel bun, so it's very tasty. So I'm really excited to try that again. Well, we got our drink. We got an IPA called Tropic Rush. I believe it's called Tropic Rush, and it has a little bit of a mango flavor. Very fruity. Here, cheers. Maya's excited about these games. She said there's a bunch of...
But this one's my favorite. I haven't played it. It's a funny game.
What other things I have over there?
Okay. Here's my personal pizza. I'm gonna probably take some leftovers home. Here's Omar's burger. He loved it last time. Here's your favorite burger in the area. Is it as good as last time? Yeah. Nice.
Oh, Maya got her pizza.
It's like in Europe, like or that's part of the before.
How is it?
Very good.
She said that it's how they serve it in Italy, very thin, and then you cut it.
Yeah, I only got like cheese, their homemade tomato sauce, and some mushrooms and arugula and spinach, a little bit of parmesan. It's really good. It tastes like olive oil and garlic. It's very good. Really happy.
Okay, we finally came back home. How did you like the McDonald's meal?
It was a really good brewery.
Yeah.